So you've been in a car accident and you don't know what to do. Check out this video and I'll give you the first few steps that you need to be sure of to make sure you get to pre-injury status as quick as you can. I'm Dr. Gregg with Align Wellness Center, and I'm a chiropractor focusing in structure and function. I've been helping people to live amazing, fantastic lives for the last 20 years by removing the roadblocks that have stopped them. When you've been in a car crash, and I'm going to call it what it was, someone ran into you. It wasn't an act of God, so it's not an accident. When you're in a car crash, the impact can wind up changing the structures of your spine. You see, the part of your spine up here in your head is really freely movable, and it can get jostled around significantly in what's called a whiplash mechanism. Now, that whiplash mechanism can cause up to 5 G's of force at the top of your neck. That's a ton of force. And that force can cause some of the ligaments here throughout the base of your neck to get irritated, torn, or weakened. It can shift the positions of your spine so that your entire spinal cord gets stretched thin. The key people that wind up measuring, monitoring, tracking this wind up being corrective chiropractors. So if you've been in a car crash and you're not sure what to do, write down below and I'll do my best to try and help you find the right next best step for you to begin addressing the problems and to get back to being the best you could ever be. Once again, I'm Dr. Gregg, and thank you for letting me be a part of your health.